Hey, hi everyone. Mm, so this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a free tier, how to set up an AWS account. So let's go with that. Open up your browser, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome, and type this command. Type this website, aws.amazon.com. So once you opened it, you will get an option here, create an AWS account. On the extreme right hand side. So I'm just talking about here. Okay, so just click on it. So usually what happens is if you already have an account, maybe you might have created 1 year back or a couple of months back. At that time, most of the time you will not get this create an AWS account option here. I'm talking about this one. Okay, this button. So this orange button will not happen. It's because since you might have already logged in and you won't get this button. So how I got this button is, so here I've clicked on it in the Google Chrome also you have that option. So I'll just show you how it is. So click on this, three hamburger button here. One moment. Yeah. So when you hit on this hamburger button, there is something called new in private window. Okay. Say for example, I'm just clicking on a normal new window, which is open in a different window. And then if I type aws.amazon.com, I'm not getting that option. So if you compare, we are getting create an AWS account, and here we are getting sign into the console. So this is like, even in Google Chrome as well. If I open Google Chrome here, so say this, I think this is the first time I'm just logging into Google Chrome. I never logged into the Google Chrome, so just pardon me. So here also I'm getting create an AWS account. So basically what I'm trying to say is if you've already logged in with some other AWS account, you won't get this options, create an AWS account. You have to click on this and then you have to click on new in private window. That is one option. Okay. And another option is, you can click on, sign into the console directly. And then once you clicked on it, it's directly going here. Which means that I've already saved my username and password and it is in cache. So I always suggest is click on this and then click on new in private window. This is the first option. Okay. And in Google Chrome, let me see what is there in Google Chrome, how to do that. Just give me a minute. So if I hit on Google Chrome, most of the guys are using Google Chrome. So when you hit on Google Chrome, so here there is a hamburger symbol. Again, new incognito window, click on it, and then your screen will be black, and then you can try aws.amazon.com. Yeah, cool. Now let me start where I stopped here. I'm just stopping, closing this. Yeah. So here, click on create an AWS account. So so here you have to, type in your whatever email address you have. So I have a Gmail address which I created newly for this. So whatever you guys are having it, you guys can use it. So I'm just giving some password, okay, and then so you can just give some name. So AWS Basent training, something like this, and then continue step 1 of 5. So it's asking for the security, so FB5M FD, and then hit on continue step 1 of 5. So now if you see, sorry, so are you using for business or personal? I'll just go with the personal one. So what should we contact from this account? So I'm just giving my name, so me Zulfi, and then I'm just gonna give my number 60, and then India. So I can give some address, no problem. And I've read and agreed to these things. So country I'm just choosing as India. So that's all. Continue step 2 of 5. Now here you have to give your debit card number. So what exactly this does is, they will just charge you temporarily 2 rupees, okay, and just for the pending transaction, and it will return it back, okay. So just to make sure that your card is working, that's it, okay. So I'm gonna give you give my debit card details. If you have credit card also, you can give, no problem. So I'm just giving my credit card number here. So I'm gonna pause the screen until I give the credit card details. So in the same screen above, I have given all my credit card number and the name and your CVV code, all those things. So here it's just asking, do you have a PAN? If you have PAN, you can give, but usually I'll just go with the no PAN, and I'm clicking on next, even though if I have PAN. So I'll just click on verify and continue. Now I would get a message in some time. So I have got an OTP. Let's see what is the OTP. Yeah, I got an OTP here. So the OTP will say like this. I don't know whether you guys can see this. Mm, I don't know. Okay, the OTP says like there is some OTP number, obviously. So 531959. So this is my OTP, and then I'm just hitting on submit. That's it. So once I hit on submit, the 2 rupees will get deducted, but it will come back to me. So now, so it just says confirm your identity, blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna give you my number, India, and then 96865 and then here SMT50R. So it will send an SMS, or you can give a call, voice call, anything. They'll just verify. Now I got another message. So with the code, I'm gonna give that code number 3661, which is the code. Just sitting on stepping. So okay, here's the main thing. Okay, so here if you see, there are three options they're giving. Okay, so for us, we are going to get so if you see this here, these are all the three things. So we are going to go with the first one, that is, this is the one I'm talking about. I'm sorry. So this is the one I'm talking about, the first for first column we have. I'm talking about this one. Yeah, so we're going to use only the free support. Okay, we are not going with another one like this. So we are not going with this, or we are not going with this. We are just going with the first option, that is only for our personal thing. So that is what recommended. So so I'll choose the first one, okay, and then I'm gonna click on complete sign up. That's it. So when you hit on complete sign up, so it says congratulations, thank you for signing up. We are activate. We should. It will just take 5 minutes maximum. Okay, and once that is complete, you will receive a mail as well in my mailbox, or whatever mail you have given in the beginning. Once it is done, you can connect to the console. You can log into the console. So here, if you see on the top right, I have signed into the console. So click on it. It is immediately I'm doing it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not, or sometimes some services might work, sometimes some services might not work. So you have to wait for maybe for half an hour or something, but let me try. Okay, so this is my login ID, okay, which I gave. Password I also gave when I submitted the when I set up the AWS account. See, now I have logged in. Okay, and on the top right, you see the top right here, it says AWS Basic Training. If you remember, I gave how the AWS should call me. So whatever name you're giving there, so that will be called there. Okay, so AWS Basic Training is there, and that's it. So we have everything is ready. Actually, it is kind of fast. Okay, here we go. So this is what few services will not work immediately. Okay, so this will take some time. maybe some, couple of minutes, or they usually say 24 hours to fully activate, but it will take immediately. Okay, immediately in the sense maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or just it depends. Okay, so that's all. So we have created an AWS account, and once you receive a mail from AWS that you're all good to go, you can explore other services. Yeah, so this is the easy way of setting up your AWS services. That's what. So as I said, a couple of services might work and couple of services may not work. For example, if you see EC2, I'm just typing it here, EC2 here, clicking on it. Say EC2 is not working. Okay, but if you see some other services, okay, I'm just sitting on services. I'm just sitting on containers. Example, ECR. I'm not sure whether it works or not, but let's see. So it's opening. So it means that it's not completely set up yet. AWS is doing it for you. So wait for some time until you get an email and then start working on it. Yeah. So that's all for this today's video, guys. Thank you.